Hey guys, this first video is how to create a DocHub account. DocHub is amazing software that allows you to take your PDF documents and turn them into editable files where kids can type their answers on them. This is going to alleviate a lot of the paper trail and having to get hand out and take up papers. So the first thing you want to do, you can either type DocHub up here in your search bar, or you can go to dochub.com, okay? And you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And it's going to ask you if you want to sign in with Google. I recommend always signing in with Google because you don't have to remember your password and it connects it to your Google Classroom. So I already have an account, but your email would pop up here. So I'm going to click, and you're going to get a dashboard that looks like this. And the kids will actually have a dashboard as well. This is where you're going to save anything that you've worked. This is where you can create documents, things like that. This is the first step, creating your DocHub account.